Oh my god! Oh my god! It's finally happening, guys! Guys, I'm so excited! It's happening! It's the new Tudor Black Bane Blue Card. Imagine if Mercedes came up with the exactly same E-Class, but the new color, introduced new colors. Everyone thought they would be mad, and I just caught a glimpse of the hype on YouTube from all the other fancy cool YouTubers and so called collectors and whatnot. I don't know. But oh my god, I'm so excited. It's the hype. It's the new Tudor Black Bay. Nothing is new about it. It's a 58 version, which was the new version. This one has a blue bezel, blue dial, and there's no gold accents. It's white, and that's it. End of story. Where can, the comments be like, where can I get this watch? Where can I buy it? Oh my god, I want it. Buy an Omega, man. Omega is better. Omega Seamaster 300 Blue Ceramic one, much better watch. Just grab that one.